Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best car seat cup holder snack tray, the Munchkin Carseat tray, designed specifically for toddlers and road trips. If you're a parent who's tired of messy car rides and constantly hunting for lost cups and snacks, this might just be the perfect solution for you. The Munchkin Carseat tray is a thoughtfully designed accessory that attaches easily to most standard child car seats. Its main purpose is to provide a convenient and mess-free space for your little one to enjoy snacks and drinks while on the go. One of the standout features is the built-in cup holder, which securely fits popular toddler cups like the Miracle 360 sippy cups, as well as many other toddler drink containers. This ensures that drinks stay put and don't spill, giving you one less thing to worry about during those bumpy rides or long journeys. Made from durable, BPA-free, and phthalate-free materials, the tray is lightweight yet sturdy, weighing just under 7 ounces. It's designed with simplicity in mind. The one-piece tray snaps into place with easy assembly, so you won't have to fiddle with complicated setups or multiple parts. The neutral gray color suits both boys and girls and complements most car interiors, keeping things stylish and practical. Another great benefit of the Munchkin Carseat tray is its ease of cleaning. After your toddler has finished their snacks, you can simply place the tray on the dishwasher's top rack for a quick and thorough wash. This makes maintenance hassle-free and keeps the tray hygienic for everyday use. When it comes to dimensions, the tray measures just over 11 inches in length and around 7.7 inches wide, making it spacious enough to hold a variety of snacks, small toys, or even a tablet for entertainment. This makes it a versatile accessory that goes beyond just mealtime, helping to keep your toddler engaged and comfortable during car trips. The tray fits securely on most standard car seats, giving your child a stable surface for their snacks and drinks. While it's designed for children aged 18 months and up, it's especially useful for toddlers who are just starting to enjoy independent snacking on the road. Whether it's a quick errand or a long road trip, this tray helps keep things organized and less stressful for both parents and kids. In summary, the Munchkin Carseat tray combines functionality, safety, and convenience. It offers a secure cup holder that fits popular toddler cups, a spacious tray for snacks and small toys, easy assembly, and dishwasher-safe cleaning. Its durable, kid-friendly design makes it a reliable companion for everyday travel and special trips alike. If you're looking to make travel with your toddler smoother and mess-free, the Munchkin Carseat tray is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.